Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Windows 11 computer is not tethering to your smart device, so like a smartphone, Android, iPhone, that sort of thing. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. You want to expand the network adapter section, so double click on it. And then you want to right click on your network connection. And then you want to select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers and go ahead and left click on that. And then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Uncheck the option where it says Show Compatible Hardware. And you want to look for something that says Microsoft on the left side underneath Manufacturers. Let's go ahead and just left click on that. And now on the right side, you want to go down until you find the USB RNDIS6 driver. So just go down here. You see USB RNDI6 adapter. Now you would select next and you would agree to update the driver. Now I will not update the driver in my case because I'm not experiencing this problem, number one, and number two, that's not my actual network adapter. But in your case, if you're experiencing this error message here, then this is likely going to be what's going to resolve your problem here and it will let you install it. So again, if you're having the problem, just go ahead and again select Microsoft and then USB RNDIS6 adapter, and you would select next and then agree to proceed with the installation. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.